today I'm really excited because I just received this really nice light bulb changer for high ceilings, which I think that it's nice. You get 3 different heads to use depending on what kind of light bulb you need to change. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. This is an extension pole. You place the attachments on this side, set up, secure them tightly. Now, depending on the height that you need, you can extend it. Which I think that it's really nice to take light bulbs from stairways or whatever you need that it's a high ceiling, and I think that it's really nice. So let's test it out. Come on. Okay, so let's test it out. I'm gonna extend it. This I can just Okay, so now I'm going to place my light bulb right here. It has anti-slip mats on this side, so it holds tightly and extend it once again. That way we can change light bulbs on high ceilings without having to worry it will fall or anything, and just like that it's ready to use, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because it's really simple to use, you get different change of sets to change different kind of light bulbs. I think that it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.